Hello, good morning, children. This is your geography teacher, Jasveer Kaur ma'am. Welcome to my classes, SKM Public School. Today I am here to teach you about your geography chapter number 2nd revision purpose migration. Today I have chosen your diagram questions, pie charts and others so that you can read accordingly. Based upon these pie charts, some questions can be asked here and there, so that I'm going to teach you. Sorry for interruption. So in this way, earlier we discussed about different type of consequences of migration: economic reason, demographic reason, social consequences, environmental, and some other reasons. Today I have chosen once again that topic, social consequences. Among that social consequences, because societal जो changes occur there in the society based upon population, in other words we can say based upon gender, based upon activities, primary, secondary, tertiary, how it affect the migration to the country from where it is migrated and to the rival countries, those who receive the migrants. So in this picture I have tried to show you the pie chart. First pie chart shows that reasons for male migration by last residents with the duration 0 to 9 years in India. It is the data of 2001. Right? Some books may have data of 2011. Don't get confused, but we have to see just how it is demographic representation on the pie chart, because with the given data you have to attempt some your questions in practical exam also to express these bio pie charts, bar graph like this. So that's why I'm telling you, if I study this first pie chart, heading 2.2 figure, here it has been shown that based upon work, symbols are given. You must see these symbols. First symbol is for work and employment, this one. For this, so many people used to go there. Second symbol for business purpose. Third symbol for education purpose. Fourth symbol marriage. And fifth symbol move after birth. And sixth symbol moved with households. And cross is there, that is some other reasons that are not defined. Okay? There may be some minor reason or major reasons without defining them. So migration leads to intermixing of the people from social diverse culture. It has positive contributions such as evolution of composite culture and breaking through the narrow consideration and widen up the mental horizon of the people at large. But it also has serious negative consequences such as anonymity, which creates social vacuum and sense of dejection among individuals. Continued feeling of dejection may motivate people to fall in the trap of antisocial activities like crime and drug abuse. तो you may have seen picture Blackia, एक पंजाबी फिल्म है Blackia. You may have seen that how it turned violent and indulged into drug, this and that the bad effect of this social intermixing or some other reason also. So in this first pie chart we have this 38% work employment, 38% movement due to work and employment. Then second symbol is business, and for business purpose you may recognize that there are 3%, then education 6%, then marriage 2%, and 10% move after birth, and 25% move with households, and 16% other reasons, right? So this is the criteria that how they have taken these different people, different population aspects for the motive of migration, why they are migrating from one place to another place. Then we have this second pie chart, right? Second pie chart tells us about same symbols are there. Same symbols are there. It is reasons for female migration. First for male migration, and this one is for female migration. This one male and this one female. Female, why do female migrate? For work and employment, female migrate. How many female migrate? What is the percentage? This is 3% only. Earlier it is 38 for the male. Here it is 3%. And then business purpose female migrate from one place to another place, only 1%. Then for education purpose, women move from one place to another place, that is 3%. Marriage, very huge number, because in according to our society, women, girls have to leave their parent house in the name of marriage, that is 65%. Move after birth, that is 5%. Moved with household, that is 19%. So in this way, this is the comparative study of male and female migration, right, due to same reasons. If I compare work and employment, male move how many percent? 38%, and women move only 3%. And if I compare it with the business purpose, women only 1%, women move 1% for business purpose, लेकिन men जो हैं they move 3%. 3% people move for business purpose. Then if I ask about education, male 6% and female, for the education purpose, female approximately 1%, because it is in our society, girls are not allowed to move for higher educations, although now time has changed, but then also in our some states of India, some parts of India, in rural area, girls are not allowed to go for higher studies for anywhere else. So in this way, such type of questions can be asked between difference between male and female migration, right? And there is a huge difference after marriage. 65% जो women है आफ्टर मैरिज पर्पज़ के लिए मूव होती हैं, बट जो हमारे मेल हैं दे मूव ओनली हाउ मैनी परसेंट? दिस वन ओनली 2%, ओनली 2%. अदर रीज़न के कारण जो मेल हैं दे आर 16%. अदर रीज़न के लिए जो फीमेल्स हैं दे आर 5% ओनली, 5% ओनली. एंड 19% जो फीमेल हैं दे आर फॉर हाउस होल्ड्स के साथ उनको जाना पड़ता है. 25 मेल को. इट इज़ अप्रॉक्सीमेटली इक्वल नंबर ऑफ दीज पीपल. देन हियर इज़ वन गिवन स्मॉल इंसिडेंट रिगार्डिंग दिस story of the migration, and you have to read this story and you have to answer these stories. These 4 stories what tell us about describe the situation of migration. Then you have to enumerate push and pull factor of आरिफ जो इसमें बता रहे हैं पुश एंड पुल फैक्टर. फर्स्ट स्टोरी में जो आरिफ बता रहे हैं कि वाई दे आर मूविंग, वाई दे आर नॉट मूविंग, दैट यू हैव टू टेल. इट इज़ अ स्मॉल होमवर्क फॉर यू पीपल. देन थर्ड इज व्हाट आर पुल फैक्टर्स फॉर मोहन सिंह. वाई मोहन सिंह को किस चीज़ ने अट्रैक्ट किया था, राइट, पुल फैक्टर. देन you have to study next story also, that is Subralam Lakshmi and Manish Gavarkar compare their cases on the basis of type of migration, causes of migration and their living condition. In other words, you have to tell why these both person, Subal Lakshmi and Manish Gavarkar, why they have migrated, what is their basis. Is it pull factor, push factor? You have to give them. Then causes of the migration and their living conditions. Under which conditions they are living over there, that you have to describe. So in this way, this is small homework. One more, I have taken picture regarding the total international migration from neighboring countries. Here I have mentioned अफ़गानिस्तान में तो आजकल बहुत ज़्यादा अफरा दफड़ी हो रही है, यू नो, राइट, व्हाट इज़ हैपनिंग ओवर देयर. देन बांग्लादेश, भूटान, चाइना, म्यांमार, नेपाल, पाकिस्तान, श्रीलंका, these are our neighboring countries. So here also the data is given. First column there is name of the country, second number of migration, and the third column is percentage of total immigrants. देखिए नंबर ऑफ इमिग्रेंट एंड परसेंटेज. देखो इसने पहले नंबर दिया फिर उसकी परसेंटेज निकाली है. तो अकॉर्डिंगली यू हैव टू सी दैट मोर परसेंटेज एमिग्रेंट्स आर देयर इन, मोर नंबर इज देयर इन 59.8, दैट इज़ बांग्लादेश. सेकेंड नंबर पे है 19.3, दैट इज़ पाकिस्तान. और थर्ड नंबर पे 11.6%, दैट इज़ नेपाल, जो इंडिया में आते हैं ये लोग. उसके बाद सबसे कम है 0.2, दैट इज़ अफ़गानिस्तान. तो इन दिस वे, बेस्ड अपॉन दिस टेबल, सोर्स इज सेंसस ऑफ इंडिया 2001 नेशनल सैम्पल सर्वे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, नासो जिसे बोलते हैं, दैट आर टेकन फ्रॉम हियर. सो इन दिस वे, दिस इज़ ऑल अबाउट today's lecture, and you have to prepare your lecture notebook accordingly. Try to write and listen all the questions. Dear students, please don't make any mistake while learning, because this time hopefully you would have this type of question answers, objective types, and rest that you have to do. Okay, take care. Very soon we will meet in school, by the grace of God, if everything remains okay. Bye. Take